a lot of hits off that one.
This locust is coming out of its shell. He's like gonna do a back dive.
No way.
Come here, little buggy. Yeah, push. This is probably like a one. This is like a once in a lifetime thing. Push, you can do it.
Actually, it is.
Yeah. On my birthday, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really.
I've never ever seen one come out of the shell.
He called it too like a while ago.
I was like, yeah, he's looking for a place to park it. And I came out here and smoked and saw him like halfway out.
Bro, no way. Oh my god.
There he goes. He's moving. Yeah, I gotta upload this. And then I just uploaded it to my YouTube channel, then everybody will watch my videos. Yes.
Damn, son. I should've thought of that. If it flies on me, I'm done.
Oh, there it goes. Look at it. It's moving.
Looks like he got like
He's like
2 legs in there. Oh no, my fucking shit died. Oh shit.
Oh. He's doing crunches. Upside down crunches. Get it, boy. You got it.
It's like barely in there. I can't believe how slow they come out.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool, bro.
It is, man. I don't even know if he can help it come out.
Like,
Oh, look. Yeah, he's like hella fucking about it. He's about to do it.
he's about to do
He's
it.
about to do a backflip.
I don't think anybody. I've never seen one on YouTube actually come out.
Yeah, me either. I didn't even know what the fuck this was.
I mean, I get one at like last minute.
Yeah.
Guys, how are you?
Hey.
We're having a National Geographic moment. Have you seen one of these before?
Cicada.
Have you seen the
This
cicada
is a
coming out of its
cicada
shell?
coming out of its
Nah,
shell.
shell before.
I've got it all on camera.
Ah.
Discovery Channel's gonna have to pay me for this shit.
Good, should. Get a patent before you use
This
one.
is, like I said, nobody's ever. I've
So,
never
see,
seen.
I'm going to do room checks right now. What's your name, honey?
Juniper.
Juniper. Alright, thank you.
He's doing crunches.
I'm Amanda, by the way.
Oh, that's
Hi,
good.
Amanda.
I thought that rock was a fart. I was like,
You're like, hell no. Nice to meet you.
ooh. Sounds like an Amanda.
Out of 50 years, I've never seen one.
I'm so confused. That bitch is literally like what is going on?
Got a little straw or something, you like tap it on and come out quicker.
No, I don't want to hurt him. In his own time.
Tap him. Do a little tap.
Yeah, that's all it needs.
Ugh.
They like long videos.
Oh, see, he's pushing. Here he goes.
No way.
Yeah, see, he's got more legs in there.
He's got more legs.
This might be a 2-segment video.
Yeah, that's 4 minutes long so far.
Trust the process.
Yeah. This is me before I got sober. This is me now that I'm sober.
Yeah. I'm still coming out.
Yeah, then you go in one of those science things to see what it means to see a cicada come out of its shell.
On your birthday?
You know, yeah, something like that, you know? See what that means. Probably a good look thing.
I feel like he's gonna fly out at us.
Oh, he will.
Look how pretty he looks.
Yeah, do you think it's because I'm shining a flashlight in his face? Probably. Probably. He's probably like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I need a rubber band.
Keep it there overnight. Come back in 30 minutes.
Oh, I got it. Perfect. Pop socket to the rescue.
Watch it fall on him.
Ooh, perfect.
There's definitely gonna be somebody gonna watch it there.
Dude, I got it. I gotta get my face in the video. So you know I recorded this shit. Several, baby.
Oh my god. And I was here. I witnessed this. I was the one that pointed this bitch out. Look at this little wings about to go off. You see that?
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Do it back. That's fucking cool, man. And I just so happened I started getting restless in my bed watching this movie, right?
Yeah.
So I came back out
Well, I watched
to
it.
smoke a cigarette.
What if
And
didn't
I
have
looked
this-
at it. I was like, I walked right up to it. I was like, I wonder if the thing's out.
What if I didn't have this diabetes going on right now? I'd watch it.
Yeah. I feel like it's a sign for my sister.
Yeah, probably.
Maybe you should.
Damn, I just felt something drip on me.
Yeah, I told you. I don't know
Like
what's
rebirth of
what's up there, man.
Did it finish coming out yet?
No, look at it. Look how
He's
far
like
it is.
almost there though. Look, you got like 2 little legs in that bitch.
Ooh.
Almost there. He's getting ready to fly.
Yeah, you might want to cut that in half.
Yeah.
But somebody's going to never watch it.
Careful.
No, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm just
Careful,
gonna leave it.
careful,
Yeah.
careful.
I feel like I'm not getting a good enough shot though. Look at this cicada. Come on, buddy, push.
On your birthday.
Yeah, he's probably scared.
I think shit just might be taking some time. I don't know.
Oh, you can see in there.
Gonna tell his mom he's a movie star and shit.
Mom, I'm on camera. Oh shit.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh.